Honeybee colony structure. A honeybee colony is a highly organized social structure, and each bee has specific duties within the hive. Queen bee. The queen bee is the mother of the hive. She is the only fertile female and lays eggs, which can number up to 2,000 eggs per day during the peak season. The queen's pheromones regulate the behavior and unity of the colony. Her lifespan can be several years, but she tends to be replaced by the colony when her egg laying slows down. Worker bees. Worker bees are all female but sterile, meaning they cannot lay fertilized eggs. They are the smallest bees in the colony and perform various tasks based on their age. Worker bees start as nurse bees, feeding and caring for the brood. They later transition to foraging roles, where they collect nectar, pollen, water, and propolis. Some also become guard bees. Their lifespan varies. A few weeks in the summer, while those born in the fall may live several months. Drone bees. Drones are male bees, and their primary function is to mate with virgin queens from other hives. They don't participate in hive chores like collecting food or defending the hive. Drones are expelled from the hive as winter approaches since they consume valuable resources without contributing to the hive's needs. Honeybee life cycle. Egg stage. A queen bee lays eggs in the wax cells of the comb. She chooses whether to lay fertilized eggs, which will become worker bees or queens, or unfertilized eggs, which will develop into drones. Larva stage. The eggs hatch into larvae, which are pale, worm-like creatures. Nurse bees feed the larvae a diet of royal jelly for the first few days, which helps them grow rapidly. Afterward, they are switched to a mixture of honey and pollen. Pupa stage. The larvae then spin a silken cocoon around themselves, pupating within their cell. During this stage, they undergo metamorphosis, developing the characteristics of adult bees, including wings and a harder exoskeleton. Adult bee stage. The fully developed adult bee chews its way out of the cell. Worker bees begin their tasks, which may include foraging for nectar and pollen, building comb, caring for the young, and protecting the hive. Hive activities. Worker bees construct wax comb cells for brood and honey storage. They regulate the temperature and humidity inside the hive through fanning and collecting water. Worker bees use a complex system of dances to communicate information about the location of food sources and other important details to their fellow hive mates. In conclusion, honeybee colonies have a highly organized structure with different roles for queen bees, worker bees, and drones. Inside the hive, they engage in numerous tasks to maintain and support the colony. Please subscribe the channel and ring all notification. Thanks for watching the video.